Right now I'd like to demonstrate for you a pretty nifty little command called the mirror command. Again, I'm going to increase my top viewport because I'm going to be working here. First of all, if we go to Transform, the mirror command is located here. You can also add a button for the mirror command to your sidebar, to your toolbars if you like, and I'll show you how to add and subtract buttons from the toolbars a little later. Now to mirror something, first we need an object. So let's create something kind of fun. We'll create a torus. I want to create a torus, basically create two circles, the thickness of my torus, and there you have it. The torus is basically a donut type shape. I'll move that here. Now I'm going to go to Transform, Mirror, Start of Mirror Plane is what I need to click. And right now I have, as you can see, Snap in boldface down here. Snap is turned on. That'll make this a little bit easier. How about our center point here? I'll just click that. Now that I've clicked with a left click, as I rotate the mouse, you can see it's trying to show me where my object is going to appear. Or in other words, how the mirror plane is going to work, whether it's going to be straight or angled. I'm not holding any mouse buttons down right now. I'm just simply moving the mouse itself around. So it sort of locks into place. And I'll left click here so that we have one just on the other side of our y-axis. Now again, I can select my torus, right click, click the center point. I can quickly add one there. Again with a right click, select my center point with a left click, and wait for it to lock in the bottom, and then I have 4. Now I can also select all 4 of them. As you can see, mirror works similar to many other Rhino commands in that if I move the mouse cursor farther away and make this line between my origin point and the end point where the mirror plane is actually going to be, the longer this line, the more control I have when I rotate my shapes and decide just exactly how I want them to be mirrored. So if I choose there, as you can see, I have 8 toruses. And we'll do that one more time. And now let's take a look at it. This time, pretty long line, so I have good control, and I'll left click. And let's do a shaded preview. So now as you can see, out of one simple torus, we've created kind of a neat, almost wreath-like shape. The mirror plane can be used to mirror single objects or extremely complicated objects, as I've just showed you. You could take the design further. You could move our object a little bit, transform, mirror, and so on. So the mirror tool is really an interesting way to increase the number of objects in your scene and really control how they're going to strike the eye and how your piece is going to be built.